In science, we are going to do the target reading skill called outlining. As you read, make an outline about air quality that you can use for review. Use red headings for main topics and blue headings for subtopics. And this is the template that we will be using. One time where you use outlining is when you cannot highlight, because this is a textbook, so I cannot highlight the main ideas and key details. So what I have to do is write down an outline, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It is not hard at all. All right, so the first thing we have to do is do some prior learning. The text is giving us a bold word called pollutants. And as a reader, we should know what pollutants are. But a lot of people just think pollution or pollutant is just trash or maybe bad things in the air. But pollutants are harmful substances in air, water, and soil. And all these things are very important to live a very healthy life and to breathe deep and clear. All right, so I have written on my top of my paper, and I highlighted it in yellow, and I wrote the definition: harmful in the air, water, and soil. All right, so next is the air quality, and that is the topic of our chapter section. So I have written that, and then I'm going to use pink, just like we were going to highlight in main ideas and key details. So the main idea is the source of air pollution. Where do we get the pollution from? So we have in our text, we have natural sources. Those are natural processes such as forest fires, soil erosion, and dust storms, and the release of smoke and dust in the air. So I have written down fires, dust, soil erosion, and I added one that I knew was cow poop, which is methane gas, and that is a natural source, and it is a type of air pollution. Another type is human activities. And I'm not going to read the whole text because you should have already read the whole text. But as you're reading it, you want to write the examples, the key details of human activities. So I go over here and I have human activities that lead to source of pollution. So it is B, human activities. We have A, and now there's B, and I'm going to list what the human activities are. So farming, which could lead to the dust and soil erosion. Burning fuels, which would be coal, gas, and oil. So to keep us warm, we would heat some coal or oil and even some gas. But gas, we usually think of cars. And when we are burning fuels in cars, it is the exhaust that the gas has when we use it. And it also has construction, because with construction, we also have soil erosion because we're taking out the trees, and it also can be dusty because the water is not being held in the ground and it's being evaporated. And even human activities can create fires because of maybe a cigarette that wasn't extinguished or some kind of chemical reaction or electrical fires or something like that. So I am going to continue with our outline on another video. So this way, if you need to go back, you can see how I outlined it.